Great afternoon, good evening, great rising, wherever you are. Trizana Staples here, coming to you this afternoon in nature. My whole backyard is a act of nature. I have trees, I have squirrels, birds, I have Lazarus lizards, and cicadas. Before I go into my message today, yesterday was a fabulous day. The literary team, well, some of the literary members, literary team of Behind My Storm, teamed up with C. Dub um, Wiley, aka Charles Wiley, who is the author of um, To God Be the Glory. He has a book on Amazon as well. So support him, get his book. And it was a wonderful day with the mind gatherer, Greg Stallworth, David Livers, Marquita Strayhorn, Loretta Davis, and myself to share our insight of our book. So it was a wonderful day. So please support To God Be the Glory and Behind My Storm. And it can be purchased on Amazon. And I tell you, if you get the book and you live in the Cincinnati, Ohio area, we can meet and I can sign it. So if that's a incentive for you to wait for my book that is coming soon, Phoenix Rising. So I'm sitting here looking at these squirrels. It's a mother and a baby, and it's so beautiful. But anyway, getting to my point. If you live in the region where I live, and I live in Ohio, there are cicadas that are emerging now. 17 year cicadas, and different regions have different types of cicadas, but these cicadas are 17-year cicadas. And you look at them, they look ugly and mean, but really they're harmless. They're just annoying. And then I thought was thinking they cicadas stay in the ground, the abyss, for 17 years before they emerge. And they try to get into the tallest place they can get because they've been underground for so long. Now, actually, from what I understand, they only come out to mate and then they go back into the ground. But the fact that they were in the ground for 17 years and then they emerge into this larva that has a shell and they break out of the shell with wings like a phoenix rising. So stroke survivors, if the cicadas can do it, we can do it too. We were in the abyss, at least I was. And I don't care what anybody says. I had conversations with my relatives and loved ones who had transitioned. And my father sent me back. He said, "It's not your time yet." I didn't dream that happened. It was time for me to rise. So I came out of the abyss and started to shed my coat, started to shed my hard enamel. So stay with me now. So slowly my wings are emerging much better than I was before. Yes, I still have some deficits. I have issues with aphasia. Um, I have issues sometimes with my balance, with my walking, but I'm still emerging like a cicada, like a phoenix rising. And I'm going to shed my external shell completely and have wings to fly. And that's a beautiful thing. So when you see a cicada, give homage to the cicada. The cicada is nothing to be fearful of. It's something to take notice and see the magnificence of it. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. I have cicadas on my trees. I have tons of cicadas in my garden, so I have to go in my garden and shoo them away. But remember the cicada. Remember, you are a phoenix rising. That's my message for today. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for listening. Until next time, peace, love, and light. And again, my name is Trizana Staples. I had a stroke. I am a stroke survivor. I am a phoenix rising. Thank you for listening. Peace, love, and light.